7 Best Kegerators brought to you by Advanced Mixology. Beer, wine, kombucha, and beyond, a kegerator keeps your favorite kegged beverage chilled in the comfort of your own home. Let's take a look at the best kegerators. EdgeStar KC1500 SSOD Outdoor Kegerator is the best for outdoors. Made for sun, sleet, snow, and beyond, the beer dispenser is completely reinforced with a durable, stainless steel wrapped cabinet. The best countertop kegerator is Homecraft Black Stainless Steel Kegerator. For those who don't want to buy a full keg, this mini kegerator takes beer from regular 5-liter growlers and turns it into frothy, ice-cold draft beer. Kegco 3 Keg Dispenser is the best triple cap kegerator. This environmentally friendly kegerator has space for 3 Pepsi kegs, and it even converts into a refrigerator for more storage. The best compact kegerator is Insignia 1-Tap Beverage Cooler Kegerator. If you're looking for a kegerator that won't blow your budget, look no further than this Insignia option, and this keg can convert into a regular refrigerator. EdgeStar KC2000 Kegerator has the best value. Its sleek black exterior and stainless steel construction match any decor, and the slim design is thinner than a standard kegerator, which makes it look excellent. Igloo Cold Break Jockey Box has the best portability. For a more transportable option, consider a small jockey box that can be hauled to wherever you go, and it is perfect for festivals, camping, or a backyard bash. Overall, Kegco K309 Keg Dispenser is the best kegerator. Kegco's full-service kegerator kit, which includes a complete keg tapping kit, will keep beer at just the right temperature for weeks at a time. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.